In this video, we will learn about basic row-level security in SSAS tabular model. And here is the model that you can see. We have several tables that are connected with each other. And we are, for this example, we are interested only the internet sales with the customer table. And if I show you the data for the customer, so there are different columns here, and we are interested only in the English occupation. And if you click here, you will see different occupations. So let's write one role. We can define role inside the management studio. So we are connected to the analysis services. So here is the role, right? And if I click new role, and then the role is like manual, as you can see here. The occupation, we have one role, manual, and this is the name of the role, like manual role, and there are different permissions like a full control process database or the read, and we are only interested in read. And then you have to click membership. Here we have to add one particular user or the group that contain lot of users, right? So let's add the username for this computer is this one, circ, and if I click check name, so here we will see this user. And for this example, I have created one user, one test user. So this will be test user check name, and this is the test user, right? Click OK. And here you can see if I after adding user to the membership, we have to set the filter. When you click on the row filter, we will see different tables here, and we are only interested in the customer table. This select this customer table, and then we have to write the name will be, the table name will be customer, and the column is English occupation is equal to manual, this one, right? So click OK. And let me show you one more thing, that how we can add user. For adding the user in the system, it's very straightforward. You need to go to the control panel, and here you have to search user, and then under user account you have to add or remove user, and see I have added one test user here. Then you need to click add new user, and here you have to um, add someone else, this one. I don't have this person sign in information, click this one, and then you don't need to create Microsoft account here. You can click here add a user without Microsoft account, this one. So then you can set your desired name and password, and then complete the visit. That's all. So that's how I have added this test user account. Okay, and now everything is fine. So I have two Excel files, so I can click to the book one, and here you have to click data, and then I need to click from other sources, from analysis services, the name of the server. The name of the server is we need to copy. This is the analysis server name, so I can paste it here as well because we need it later. So then this is the server name. For example, if I use the Windows authentication, If I choose the first option, next, and this is the model, next, and finish. Yes. Okay, so here you can see if I drag the English occupation, So here you can see we are getting clerical management and all the professions. So here we are able to see all the occupations because the logged in user is Windows user on which we haven't implement any security settings. So I can open the new workbook, book 2, data, and we need to click data sources, analysis services, and server name, and here is the new user that we have added here. If you see a manual role and a membership, so here you can see this is the test user. So now we need to connect to the Excel workbook 2 with the test user, and this is the password. Click next. This is the model, and next, finish. Yes. So now if I choose English occupation, see, we are only able to see one occupation, that due to the row level security we are able to see only one manual profession that we have set in the tabular model using the row level security.